In today's video, I'll show you how to choose what apps open up on startup. So to do this, what you have to do is just go to your search and search for settings. Open up settings from the best match. Then from the left-hand option menu, just go to apps. From the list, just select startup apps from here. And after you do that, you'll find a list of apps and you can start them if you want to start them on startup or turn them off if you don't want them on startup. But you might see that some of the apps installed on your system is not available in this list. For example, I want VLC Media Player over here, which I don't have. How do you add those? Let me show you. Just close this. Then just right click on your start button and go to run. In here, type shell startup. So it's SHELL, then a clone, then startup. Then just hit on OK. It will open up a folder. Keep this opened on one side of your screen. And on another side, you gotta search for VLC Media Player and right click on it and click on Open File Location. And after that, you'll find VLC Media Player's file location, then just drag and drop it over here. Or you can just right click on it, copy it, and paste it over here. That's a better approach. And after that, if you close all this and then just go to settings, then just go inside apps, then just go inside startup apps. Now, if you scroll down, you'll find VLC Media Player over here, and you can turn it on or turn it off, whatever you want. And basically, that is how to change what apps start on startup on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.